Hello and namaste from abroad. Today I'm Pravriti Pal. Welcome you again to Know the Places. And yeah, first of all, happy Dhanteras to everyone. Since Diwali is now coming in 2 days, we people who are sitting all abroad can feel the pain that what they were going through, since Diwali is one of the festival where the excitement used to be in air, one of the beloved festival in India. And yeah, so we were sad. So let's celebrate the Diwali, the victory of the light over the darkness, as we say that it is Diwali is one of the festival where we celebrate goodness over the evil. But this time we have Halloween, and on the same day of the Diwali. So in US, people you gonna celebrate the Halloween as, and Videsi gonna celebrate the Diwali. So it's so much of fun to see how it's gonna go. I'm all ready to do the Dhanteras puja, and this is my getup for today. Hope so. This Diwali, I'm gonna do all the ritual as basically according to procedure, but I'm just a newbie. Let's do it. As I'm setting up for the Dhanteras, let me tell you, it's a basically a first day of the 5 day celebration of the Diwali. Yes, we celebrate Diwali for a 5 day. So basically, Dhanteras means Dhan is wealth and Teras referred to the 13th day of lunar calendar. In this day, we celebrate to honor the Lord Dhanvantri. Dhanvantri is the god of Ayurveda, and she emerged from the ocean at the time of Samudra Manthan. Therefore, we celebrate and we pray for the prosperity, good wealth, as well as abundance. But personally, for me, Dhanteras is all about the gratitude, being thankful for what we have and hopeful for the brighter future. I love how this festival blend tradition with intention. Yes, while setting up all these space, make me feel like I'm creating a little heaven of the positivity in my home, and I really enjoy it. So yeah, all puja now done. Now I am making some of the mithai for our Diwali day. Till then, see you and take care. Bye bye. Hello and happy Diwali. So guys, I know that you must thinking what I'm doing in office today. It's US and we don't have any kind of holidays, even though they have it as a Halloween today. But yeah, see you in evening, and once again happy Diwali. Till then I'm gonna work. Back from office now, going to get ready for a Diwali, and let's do the process whatever we can. So yeah, see you. Now this desi lady is already in her desi outfit. Tell me in comment how I'm looking, by the way. Yeah, basically, I'm gonna keep it for a while. Celebrating alone for the first time is definitely bittersweet, really. I miss my family and the chaos at the home here. But doing this here has made me realize how special these traditions are. It's a way of keeping our culture and keep us happy. But anyway, it's celebration for the return of the Bhagwan Rama for to the Ayodhya after the 14th year of Vanvas. So I'm gonna enjoy it. Similar to the way we do in India, to light up with the lamps to welcome him to our house in US. So yeah, after the puja, I'm lighting the diyas around the house and enjoy some of the mithai which I made on Dhanteras day. It's all about creating a warm and happy environment. That's what I'm trying right now. Yes. So yeah, this is what my Dhanteras and Diwali celebration are. I hope this inspire anyone celebrating away from their home to make their own tradition and celebrating by themselves. Let me know in comment how you celebrated this year. Wishing you all very happy Diwali. I know it's already late and just stay blessed and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.